Hey, what's up guys? Let's go over all your drive modes on your brand new 2026 Palisade Calligraphy. Okay, to access your drive modes, you scroll to the left, select Setup, Vehicle option, Drive mode. Now under Drive mode, this is where you're able to select, you could change how you want your powertrain to produce for you. Right now it's set to normal and your steering is set to normal as well. You can mix and match. For example, if you want to use your eco powertrain but you want sport handling, you could do that as well. And by that tab, you activate it by hitting this here. This is your shortcut that'll show in front of the steering wheel. It'll show your eco driving mode, which is everything will be eco as far as your steering and powertrain. Or if you want completely normal everywhere, sport is your powertrain and also your steering. Now when you select My Drive, this is the one that you were able to customize here under My Drive mode, which you're able to select from the four of your different drive modes, which you have eco, normal, sport, and My Drive that you're able to adjust through here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Follow for more.